Yo guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. Yeah, welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is Teoluckzboom. Yeah, and I do dance tutorial and dance challenges for you guys. Now, basically today we're doing a trending song by Ateez. I think the song is bad. Yeah, Ateez bad. I can put it somewhere here for you guys to see. The trending song and the dance is quite intense. Yeah, it's quite intense to do. But we're gonna do it basically. We're gonna do it. So first things first, in case you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel, like this video and share it to your friends, guys. Let's dance this down together. To get the song together. So first one is, so let's dive right into the screen. You can see that this video is mirrored. Yeah, on your right and your left hand basically. You know how it is. Now the video, this is how the song goes. It's she's so bad. So you're kicking with your left leg, you kick forward like this, you kick forward like this, you jump. So it's bang, 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 she's so bad. I think that. So you kick, drop. You're not dropping your legs, so it's kick, drop. I guess in 5, 6, 7, let's go. You kick, drop. Why jump to the side? So you kick, you drop, while your legs. 5, 6, 7, let's go. You kick, drop, while your legs. 5, 6, 7, let's go. You kick, you drop, you wide your legs. Bam, 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 bam. She's so bad. I think guys, you kick, you drop, you wide. So after that step, let's do this. Once you kick, you drop, you wide. You put your hands here like this, and you wide up again, and you close. Let me hope you're getting it. Hope you're getting it. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, let's go. You kick, you drop, you jump. You have to be getting it, guys. So it's 5, 6, 7, let's go. You kick, shoot, you drop, you open, you close. 1, 2, 3. And you hit your shot like a gorilla. Like a gorilla, yes, something like that. And you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I guess you can't with me, guys. You have to count with me. Let's go from the start. 5, 6, 7. Let's shoot. So bam, drop. So let me go. You kick, shoot, jump. Like your left leg, you kick like this. You jump like this. You open a little bit. And you put out like that. You open again. And you close. And you do 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you do that 4 times, you hit your shot like gorilla. 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Faster or fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you do 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple. One, 2, 3, 4. I don't know if you guys have watched my die challenge by Shakira and Burna Boy. Yeah, I tell you dance. Then when Burna Boy said it. Feel it like everything you need, like give me like you want it. I told you dance in that video, so you can go and check it out. Basically, for some cannot shoot us in this one, I make the video too long. Basically, so from the start, 5, 6, 7. She's so bad. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you push back. Now, once you have done this count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You push back. Get me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Push back. And you do 1, 2, 3. I just think it's 1, 2, 3. Then you, once you do that, not actually 3 times, twice. Let's say twice. You do that twice. Just 1, 2. So something like this from the start. 5, 6, 7. She's so bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Push. 1, 2, 3, 8. Let's go. 5, 6, 7 from the start. She's so bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Push. 1, 2, 3, up, hit. Then 1, 2. So this is not how many variations, but I hope you're getting it. literally have to get in the dance if you have many variations. So in case you want to subscribe to this channel, kindly subscribe down below, like this video, and comment what you think in the comment section. This is imperfect yet to my liking, but I have to do it for you guys so you guys can up on it. Basically, guys, so let's go. 5, 6, 7 from the start. Let's go. She's so bad. Boom, 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 boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, push. 1, 2, 3, drop it. 1, 2. I guess in it, guys. I guess in it, guys. So let's go. Once you are done this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you push. You do 1, 2, you do 1, 2. Just like this, like this, like this, like this. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, I'm following the leg, guys. It's 1, 2, and you shoot it. 1, 2, hit. 1, 2, hit. You go back, 2 steps forward. 1, 2, and you do the same step again. 1, 2, 1, 2. You see, I did it 4 times. Same step. So once you do your 2 steps forward. 1, so you go down. You do 1, 2, 1, 2. Hope you guys see me, guys. Let's go up to this point. 5, 6, 7. She's so bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Push. 1, 2, 1, 2. Drop. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Turn. Forward. So basically, you're gonna do 2 steps forward. Once you do 2 steps forward, like 1, 2. Jesus, I'm sweating in my eyes. Yeah, my handkerchief. I'm not gonna have a handkerchief. So once you do your 2 steps forward, 1, 2, you bend. You do 1, 2, 1, 2. You turn to your side, carry your ass up like this, fall back, and you start the beat. See? So something like I think, guys, once you get to that point, you know what I'm talking about. You know the dance, you know what I'm talking about. I think right now I'm not posting any shots for now, but I think I'll resume posting shots very soon. But you guys should just check out the dance, you see what I'm talking about. Let's go. 5, 6 from start. 5, 6, 7. She's so bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Push. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Hit. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Turn. Raise your hand. Yes. Basically, that's the dance tutorial basically for this trending song Bad Ateez. Don't know why I still find it difficult to do the full dance tutorial. Well, this full dance tutorial, I watch many dance tutorials and everybody's crazy at the dance. Yeah, I'm literally on fire when doing the dance tutorial. Yeah, I love it. That's how I feel. Let's do that one more time for you guys. One more time from the start. 5, 6, 5, 6. So she's so bad. She's so bad. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Push. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Shit. Drop. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, drop. I love the dance, guys. Like, I literally love the dance. So in case you are new here, you want to subscribe to the channel, kindly subscribe down below. Like this video. And for those of you that are still commenting on my video, don't think I've forgotten you guys. Nah, I ain't forgetting you guys so soon. It's impossible. So comment my video, comment for the thing in the comment section. I'm going to give you a shout out on my next video here. And make sure you have a pronounceable name. Because I saw somebody that commented on my video, I cannot pronounce that person's name. I think person's name is many consonant sounds. JKVLMO. Those kind of alphabets. That kind of name. So make sure it's pronounceable. I'll comment my video and I'll give you a shout out on my next video. I'm not forgetting. I'm taking it down. I'm putting it on my notes. I'm writing down my note. Yeah, writing on my notes. So if you like kind of content, follow me, subscribe to my channel, follow me for more. Comment what you think in the comment section. which dance to try to do. And that's what I want to watch 2 videos over here. Yeah, I got it this time over here. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Shout out.